Hello everyone, so today I'm going to tell you how to delete Instagram account permanently. If you want to delete your Instagram account permanently, so you just need to follow these steps. First, open your Instagram app and here just tap on your profile icon and then tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Just tap on it. Now here's the option of account center. Just tap on it. Now scroll down and look for personal details. Here's that. Just tap on it. And here you have the option of account ownership and control. Just tap on it. And here you have the option of deactivation or deletion of account. Just tap on it and then select your Instagram account. And here you have to select the second option, which is delete your account permanently. Then tap on continue. And here just select any reason and then tap on continue. And after that your account will be permanently deleted from Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.